And today we're going to be checking out this mountain racing metal series RC car. How cool is this? It says alloy material. So this actually has metal body panels on it, which is cool. We do have two of these if we're going to go outside and drive with the boys in just a moment, but I'm going to open it real quick and show you what you're going to get. And check this out. You get a little screwdriver for putting your batteries in. You got this thing strapped in your remote control. And just like that, we have it out of the box. Now check this dude out right here. He's got a cool roll cage. He's like a dune buggy style. He's got spring suspension, and the panels, the roof, the hood, the sides, they are all metal. It's got these nice squishy foam rubber tires, and we even have a couple headlights in the front here. And also with this little RC car, you do get two batteries and a charger as well. So you get twice the fun, and all you need are two AA batteries that you need to supply for the remote control, and then you're ready to rip. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge this up, we're going to put some batteries in it, and we're going to go outside and we're going to get the other one and we're going to race them and bash them together and have a good time. So let's go see what these little RCs can do. Alright, so here we are in the front yard. We have two of these little fellas ready to go. We have two racers, Tanner and Carter. They're going to give them a rip and test them out for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to race all the way over to the garage of the neighbors. You actually have to bump the garage and then turn around and come back. Are y'all ready? All right, we're racing in 3, 2, 1, go. So, Tanner is the winner. So these little RCs are fun to just get out in the front yard and drive around. They're great for sidewalks and in the street and just running inside on hard surface as well. And it's just a really fun and cool looking little beginner RC car. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.